I'm going to explain how I design purchase history page using JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and Bootstrap. So inside here we have columns. This is the first column, which shows the ID, and we have the order details, quantity, amount, purchase date and time, and we have two buttons. So in here, inside this order details column, in this column we have the product details. This is a Bootstrap card. So in here I am showing the ID. I'm showing the title, the seller's name, and the price. After that, showing the quantity, amount of quantity, and then the total amount, including the delivery fee. And then we have the date and time in this column. And when the user wants to give a feedback, so you can click on feedback, and a model will be shown here. We can close the model and give a feedback. And in here we have the delete button, so the user can remove this item from the purchase history. So if we go to the code, this is the purchase history of PHP file. So in here the main div tag contain a fluid. First of all, I brought the bootstrap.csc, style.csc, and bootstrap icons for icons. And then in here I have the container in the main, inside the body of the first div I have given container fluid, that means 100% width in all devices. Then I create a row. Inside this row there's a column takes all the 12 columns in all devices. And then we have another row. So inside this row I have two columns. So the first one takes 12 columns, display none in small devices, and display large in blocks. So if we go to the small devices, see the displays now. We can't see the ordered quantity, amount, and purchase and date time in small devices. The display is none. Large and above, it will be displayed. So after that we come here. Inside here we have the product details. We have the product details and also the invoice ID. Invoice ID. So this is a Bootstrap card. This is a Bootstrap card. I have given inside this Bootstrap card. Inside here I have given inside this card body, I have given all the information about the card title, the seller's name, first name, price. And then after that we come to the third column. So this third column takes 12 small and medium, small and medium 12, large and above 1, and then it's showing displaying the invoice data, quantity. So this column. And then we come to the amount column. So in here it takes again small and medium 12, large and above it takes 2. Same thing in invoice date as well. So these both columns takes 12 in small and medium, 12 columns in small and medium, and large and above it takes 2 columns. And then after that we come to this 2 buttons. So this button also in small and medium it takes 12, large and above this column takes 3. Then we have the feedback button and the delete button. So when the user click on this feedback button, this model will be displayed. So this model is here. You can in here we have this model. This is the model design. I have given ID, so feedback model, and then the product ID. So each product, when I click on each product, I will get a model like this. So when the user click on this feedback, we will go to the script.js. So inside here we have the add feedback, and it passes a parameter. product ID as a parameter to this function. It accepts this parameter, this ID, and then I am going to get document.get element by ID feedback model plus this ID, which means this one. I want to get this div tag, so I get this div tag, and then I created this global variable called m because I'm going to use this model to close. I'm going to close this model. I'm going to use this same variable. That's why I have used global variable m as a global variable. So equal new bootstrap.model feedback. So inside this bootstrap.model method, I'm passing this feedback model, and then m.show, it will show us the model like this. So if we go to the close button, so inside this model we have this close button, and I have given class button close, button bs dismiss model. So when the user click on this close, it will dismiss or close this model. So this is all for this design, purchase history design. Thank you for watching.